Raise your hand if this has ever happened to you. You're in a quiet meeting or a classroom, and you see one person yawn. Then, like a wave, suddenly everyone is yawning. It's one of the most common things our bodies do. But have you ever stopped to ask, why? Why do we yawn? And why is it so contagious? Stick around, because the science behind the yawn is a lot more interesting than you might think. For a long time, the most popular theory was the oxygen theory. The idea was simple. When we're tired or bored, we breathe more slowly. This causes a buildup of carbon dioxide in our blood. So, a yawn is our body's way of taking in a huge gulp of oxygen and expelling that CO2, essentially resetting our brain. It makes perfect sense, right? But here's the problem. Scientific experiments haven't been able to consistently prove it. People don't yawn more in high CO2 environments, and forcing people to breathe more doesn't stop yawning. So a newer, more compelling theory has gained traction. The brain cooling theory. This theory suggests that yawning is a thermoregulator for your brain. When you're tired, stressed, or your mental focus is waning, your brain's temperature can rise. The deep inhalation of cool air during a yawn helps cool the blood flowing to the brain, bringing its temperature down and potentially helping you feel more alert. Think of it like a radiator for your CPU. Okay, so that might explain why we yawn. But why is it so darn contagious? Did you feel the urge to yawn just then? If you did, you're not weak-willed. You're empathetic. Contagious yawning is now strongly linked to a part of your brain called the mirror neuron system. This is the same network that fires when you see someone else perform an action, making you feel like you're experiencing it too. It's tied to empathy and social bonding. In fact, studies show you're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you're close to, like a family member or friend, than from a stranger. So let's do a quick recap. We yawn most likely to cool our brains and increase alertness. And we yawn contagiously because of our brain's empathy circuits. The crazy thing is, we still don't have all the answers. Even unborn babies yawn in the womb, and it's seen across the animal kingdom. So the next time you feel a yawn coming on, or you catch one from a friend, you'll know there's some fascinating biology at work.